Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That's Olympus Mons, and today I brought another Hitapp solution. Okay, so let's jump to the task. Okay, so let's go to this one. The text adds important entities. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, so this one. And then 203 13 Jaguar XKR cell zip. So you just have to find out location. Yeah, obviously, zip is given, right? And then 01109. But just, yeah, you can say this. Goal is NN 01109. Only zip code you have to enter, not the zip. So I was wrong in this. So do not do this. Do only enter is 01109. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to next. It's Golf Houston Open. So this in this context, Houston is part of the name of the game. It's a tournament, not this place. So we can target type entity to sell tickets. So its location is not Houston, so it is other entity that's Houston Open. So right here, I was wrong in this. So enter this Houston Open into other entity. So here, place is another entity. Okay, let's go to the next. The brand smart USA. So obviously, this USA is a. It's actually USA doesn't refer to the location. I was wrong in this again. It doesn't refer to the location, but it's a brand smart USA. It's a single query. So it's part of the name of the brand or merchant. Okay. So there is no applicable term. Okay. Uh, yeah. Here's news review obituaries. Again, there's no applicable term here. Okay. So do not select anything. Just click submit and you'll get this kind of window. Okay. And go to the next. That's California Affordable Healthcare Marketplace quote. So obviously, it's California, the place here. Okay, so enter California, you'll be correct. Animal Friends, Westmoreland County, PA. So here's a Westmoreland County, Pasadena, right? So hold this thing, Westmoreland County, PA. It is a place. Okay, so enter this and location query. Okay, we go to the next. Peppa Pig game. It's a media title. It's a Peppa Pig, right? So I was wrong with this. I just entered this Peppa, not Pig. So I was wrong with this. So do not do that. So it's a cartoon series, and so enter Peppa Pig. Okay. Seat covers Gold Coast. It's a Gold Coast here. It's a place. Okay. Linda Adams is the person name. Linda Adams is the person's name. So enter this query into the personal name. Jamie Oliver chocolate cheesecake. Here, Jamie Oliver is the person's name. So write Jamie Oliver, insert Jamie Oliver in this name. It is no applicable term. Online scratch offs. Just do not enter anything. Just click on the submit and go to the next query. Buy Walking Dead season 7 downloads. Here, Walking Dead is a media title. So write it's a TV series title. So that enter this into the media title. So it's a Walking Dead. Mario Luigi Superstar Saga. Here, gold is Mario Luigi Superstar Saga. It is a gold. Okay, I was wrong at this. So Mario Luigi Superstar Saga. Let's go to the next. There's no applicable term if you are given laboring jobs, right? Okay, so do not click select anything, just click submit. Okay. Minecraft Java edition. So here, Minecraft is a media title. Okay, so this Minecraft is a media title. So submit Minecraft. Okay, that's okay. That's great. I've succeeded in this job. And thank you very much for listening me. And if you want to have more uh, this kind of solutions, just you can buy a book. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.